So we purchased Blackdragon, a 1988 34-foot Catalina that we were totally in love with. Let the good times roll, baby.
Ain't nothing but a
So amazing. Fabulous. We spent the summer of 2016 cruising the best of BC's waters, including a 2-week trip to the drop-dead gorgeous Desolation Sound. The entire trip was paradise, as we were super surprised to see how much beauty was in our backyard. On our way up, we hung out with Blackdragon's previous owners, Steve and Tracy, and tied up to their new catamaran on Jedidiah Island. Now that's what we call an upgrade. Jedidiah Island is a marine provincial park located between Lesquetty Island and Texada Island in the beautiful Georgia Strait. You might be able to catch feral sheep and goats graze in the fields that surround an abandoned farmhouse. Or maybe a few frolicking chipper sailors instead. It was on this island where Eric got his first taste of picking his own oysters, and he harvested a couple dozen fresh oysters for us to feast on. Truth be told, he was the only one brave enough to eat them raw, and did suffer the consequences of picking oysters at low tide. So, with that guys, be aware, do your research, and just be careful when you're consuming raw seafood. About Desolation Sound.
So we have Karoline learning how to row today. She's doing pretty good. Going in the right direction. Just
Slowly
struggling
but
with
surely.
sunglasses, and there we go. She got a new trick now. So I wonder if we should tell her that we're going into a boat. Oh, see? She just corrected it herself. She's so good.
I have so much respect for rowers all of a sudden. It's like, okay, I get it.
Doing good.
At the helm in beautiful Desolation Sound. No worries. However, we had a bit of a engine breakdown, of course. What's a trip without an engine breakdown? And Eric's working on it. What do you think it was, Eric?
Well, this is a prop down, and there's supposed to be all those props here, and there's 3 missing, so that's probably what it was. Hopefully we'll fix it. So
Otherwise, we are screwed. But no better place to be stuck than here, I'd say. Oh, jeez. Oh, lovely, thanks. Yeah, but I'm trying to catch the prosa. Dun 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 dun.
Oh!
Oh!
Holy fuck!
Oh my god! Oh my god, we got a snapper!
Oh yeah!
Oh my god! Holy shit! How stoked are you? Woo! Oh my god!
What's this one? Oh, that's a little crab.
What you doing?
I'm prepping the prawns. So you see those bad boys? So what you do is you just break the head off. Make sure it doesn't scorch on your face. Separate them.
Bucket of heads. Bucket of bodies.
There we go.
How many did we catch today?
55.
Wow.
One of the first prawns and a bunch of baby lobster, which I wasn't sure if we could eat, and a red snapper that was in the trap. So that was a lucky day.
Yeah. I'm excited.
I'm filming you.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah?
Fuck, I'm like sitting here like taking photos of you.
To ja się nie dziwię. Ja bym się i żadnej, on w jednym zdaniu, ja piszę nie rozumienie, on, ale
Karoline here, taking up the stern tie. So you have to be careful because the current's pushing us towards this. I had to pull Karoline at the same time I was taking the anchor. So we'll see how that goes. Stuck in a thunderstorm, Pender Harbour.
People ask us how we get exercise. This is how Eric gets his abs. There was definitely a little bit of melancholy every time we pulled back into Vancouver, as the seas were too much fun and we never wanted it to end. We did have a handful of wind-lacking days that summer, but we managed to sneak in some fun and shenanigans as we motored around Howe Sound with some of our closest friends.
How you guys doing?
Fantastic.
Where are we going?
We're going to the place to know tomorrow.
We have Captain Alex on board. Yes, Captain. And I couldn't be happier. It's a nice, wicked nice day. We're on the ocean. Oh my god. Oh man.
But when there was wind, there was some good wind.
This
didn't spend every single day sailing. We did go on a few camping and surfing trips too, to one of our favorite spots on the beach in Tofino, BC. So we know what you're thinking. This whole sailing thing is just sunshine and good times. Nope! On the next episode, we survive the coldest winter in Vancouver's history. We also decided to welcome a cute little puppy aboard, all while completing some crazy labor-intensive boat work, because working excessive hours trying to save money, prepping a boat for blue water cruising while attempting to live a normal life was just easy peasy. Haha, no, we certainly outdid ourselves here. So stay tuned for the next episode to see where the real elbow grease comes in. Please help us keep afloat by supporting us via Patreon. You'll get access to exclusive VIP updates, and this will keep our adventure and filming going for longer. XOXO, Eric and Karoline.